Is there a moment in your career that, as being a woman, did it either challenge you or was it a disadvantage?
Wow, for me, an advantage.
Yeah.
Sabihin ko dun sa mga kaibigan ko lalaki, uy, bili mo naman akong tubig.
You could ask them to do things for
Yes!
you.
Uy, pasirox naman to.
Yeah.
You make lambing to your
Yeah,
friends. Oh, diba?
okay.
So sa akin, more on advantage siya. Okay, bakit ako hindi princess? Paglaki ko pa lang, di ba, core commander na
Right,
ako eh. Umaakit na ako sa mga bundok.
Yeah.
Nanghahabol na ako ng snatcher. Nanununtok na ako.
Yeah.
So, siguro, they can treat me as one of the boys.
Yeah.
Hindi ako princess. Mas more on ako, cowgirl ako.
What do you think is the most misunderstood problem right now in the Philippines?
All the problems that we are facing now, people tend to blame it to the president alone. Pag matraffic dito, kasalanan ng presidente. Pag bumaha dito, pangalan ng presidente.
Who
Diba?
else do they blame but
Diba?
the president? Yeah.
But without realizing that the president is not a dictator. Our president now is not a dictator.
Okay. Gotta make that clear.
Now, our
Yeah,
president
now.
now is not a dictator.